Creating simplified custom views of the Grade Center. To create a custom view of the Grade Center, first access the full Grade Center via the Grade Center control panel. Roll your pointer over the Manage button above the Grade Center table. When the Manage drop-down panel appears, select Smart Views. This is what the VLE calls custom views of the Grade Center. To edit an existing Smart View, roll your pointer over its name and then click on the grey circle that appears to the immediate right of the name. Select Edit from the drop-down that appears. To create a new Smart View, click the Create Smart View button. First, give your Smart View a name. If you are creating it for a specific marker, then this might be the marker's name, for example. If you want the Smart View to appear in the control panel under the full Grade Center, then check the Add as Favorite box. Note that you can also toggle favorites on or off by clicking on the star button at the Smart View list page. Although there are a number of Smart View types, we'll cover the ones you are most commonly likely to need here: a User Smart View or Course Group Smart View. To create a user view, select the User Radio button. You can now select the students that you specifically wish to appear in the Smart View. To select multiple students, hold down the Control key while clicking on student names. To select consecutive students between two clicks, hold down the Shift key. If you also want to reduce the number of columns visible in the Smart View, change the Filter Results drop-down from All Columns to Selected Columns. When the scrolling list of selectable columns appear, select the column or columns that you want visible in the Smart View. As with selecting students, hold down the Control key while clicking on a column name to select more than one column. Click Submit to complete creation of the Smart View. Course Group Smart Views require you to have already set up groups using the Users and Groups control panel. The Group tool itself allows you to create groups and assign students into them. You can then use group membership for a number of purposes, including populating a Smart View with students. In fact, you can choose to automatically create a Smart View for a group when setting up the group itself. An automatically created Course Group Smart View will, however, display all columns of the Grade Center. After you have selected the Course Group Radio button, you will see the Select Criteria area now displays options for selecting a group. Use the provided drop-downs and the scrolling Group List field to select the group for the Smart View. If you also want to reduce the number of columns visible in the Course Group Smart View, change the Filter Results drop-down from All Columns to Selected Columns. When the scrolling list of selectable columns appear, select the column or columns that you want visible in the Smart View. Hold down the Control key while clicking on a column name to select more than one column. Click Submit to complete creation of the Smart View. To see a Smart View added as a favorite, expand the Grade Center control panel and then click the name of the Smart View. It will appear indented under the full Grade Center entry.